How to create a new Instagram page in just 2 minutes. First thing you have to do is open up your Instagram app. And from here, what is head over to the bottom right corner. You'll be able to see your profile option. Now, once you land on your profile page, what you need to do next is simply go ahead and long press on your profile photo to add an account. Now from here, you'll be able to see the add Instagram account option. So just tap on it. And on this option, you are going to tap on create new account. So the first thing you have to do is choose a username for your account. And then from here, just tap on next. Instagram will check if the username is available or not. Then from here, if you want to share your login info with your account center, you can continue, or you can just create a password instead. So I'm just going to show you by creating a password. Now just enter your password right here. And once you've entered your password, simply tap on next. And you're going to have to enter either your email or phone number here. So to verify your account, enter email and tap on next. And now you've successfully created your Instagram. So click on complete sign up and you'll be good to go. Once your account will be registered, your new account will be created successfully. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.